Privit, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic is today, car flipping, the buying process. 1. Need recognition. This is when the buyer decides he or she wants a want or need and they go out and get it. Information search. This is when the buyer starts searching, and typically they start on a search engine or social media. 3. Alternative evaluation. This is when the buyer goes to your competitors and checks all around all the deals and checks out your deal and compares. This is a big deciding factor on the buying process. 4. Purchase decision. This is when the buyer is done their investigation and they have decided to buy from you. This is a very critical step and they've made their decision. 5. Completing the purchase. This is a very, very imperative step because a lot of the time the deals unravel at this step because you're not prepared to do the right paperwork and in a timely fashion. So be very prepared not to lose the sale and do this very quickly. 6. Customer purchase evaluation. This is after you sell the vehicle and it's a critical step. You got to keep all their contact information very handy. You got to follow up religiously. You got to keep close in touch and honor all their needs as much as you can after the sale. It's very important. Click on the links below to buy my ebooks, my courses, and my merchandise at masterfinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and like us on Facebook at Carvelli, Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. Thanks so much for tuning in today. God bless. Much love.